Alrighty guys, real quick, y'all remember this car? This is the Dodge Charger 345 and the busted up differential. Remember that video I did where I was telling y'all I'm not a snitch? Okay, I have no idea what this guy did. I was just going by the rubber right there, but I'm not a snitch. I don't know if it was burnouts or what, but guys, we just got this thing approved. Let me show y'all what it got here. Yeah, y'all see this? That is a complete differential. Now the thing about this, guys, it's not a beefed up differential. It's not a new and improved differential. It's the same type stock differential that was in the car. It don't matter if it's Mopar or no car parts. If this guy repeat the same thing he did to destroy his current differential, he gonna destroy this one. So we might need to educate the guy, okay? I don't know. And I also got two axles right here, and I also got some diff fluid, okay? 75W85 Mopar. Guys, that's what the car calls for. All right, so again, I hope this guy learned this lesson, man, because I don't want him to destroy this new one. Whatever he was doing to cause that, I hope he don't do it again. I just hope he learns this lesson. I'm getting ready to replace. As y'all can see, it's all busted up, guys. I don't know what happened. I am not a snitch. I refuse to predict what happened. All right, I did not say burnout. All right, that is not my call to make. However, in order to replace this differential, it's 4 hooks up that bolts it to the frame. All right, these bolts right here, okay, y'all see that? That is one of them. Now, the other one is extremely hard to get to, and they didn't leave you enough room. So this is a good time to pick on the engineers. I don't know why they didn't think of this. When engineers do things like that, they make the mechanic have no other choice but to reconfigure or redo the body or redo things that they shouldn't be doing. This is the other bolts that I have to get. But look, there's no clearance between here and the freaking the tank or the trunk. Now, but what average mechanic would do is simply pry that in, bend that in to make some room to get that bolt out. We shouldn't have to do all that, man. Engineers, come on, put some thought into this stuff. Alrighty, guys, couple things here. This is the one I'm doing a real differential. Y'all see this all busted up, right? All right, guys, I'm not a snitch. I don't know what happened. I refuse to predict what happened. That's not my call. That's not my judgment to make. However, I got to get the wheels off because I'm also going to do the 2 axles. We're not going to take a chance on these axles, right? But look at this, guys. No, we need to go over here. Look at this. Y'all see this? I do not want to be blamed for this, all right? Somebody had a hard time getting that lug nut off. That's why I say, guys, if you don't really need wheel locks, try not to use them, because if you lose the key, things like this can happen. That is terrible. Okay, so this guy only dealing with 4 lug nuts. I'm sure he knows this, but yeah, he obviously couldn't get that one off, and they damaged the wheel taking it off. All right, this side here, yeah, it looked like he got that side off. They didn't damage it. All right, so the wheel lock is gone. However, I don't want to be blamed for that. So, well, it's already rusted out, so it looks like it's been done. I just wanted to document that. All right, guys, I gotta get these wheels off so I can get this, guys. Yeah, I got everything loose, guys. I think I'm pretty much ready to drop it. Got this bolt loose. This bolt I couldn't get all the way out, but look, it's good. It didn't matter because the arm is broken. All right, so I think I can bring the differential down without worrying about that. All right, let me try, man. I gotta give it my best shot. I gotta get this thing done by the day, guys. Let's get it. There she go. I had no choice. All right, guys, I got it out. I got to get it replaced. I wasted too much time on this. Oh my goodness. Man, y'all stay tuned for the next video. Alrighty, guys, here's the dilemma I'm in with this customer. Okay, remember he tried to get this. This is the differential that busted open. A lot of people say abuse. I don't know. Obviously, the warranty company said abuse because they declined to cover it under warranty. All right, that's whatever. Okay, now when I gave my estimate, guys, I gave an estimate for, of course, the differential and both axles. Guys, I did not factor in this. All right, I got the axle out to check something else, and look, yeah, this thing is highly expensive. Okay, it was bad enough we waited 2 weeks for him to finally come up with the money for the differential and the axles, but now to find out he need a complete drive shaft. Remember, guys, we can't replace this. All right, yes, these bushings, when they wear out, you got to get the whole freaking assembly. All right, so we got to figure out what we're gonna do. I don't know how much it is. I heard it's expensive. Guess I got to go find out, because now you got to come up with some more money. How would y'all handle this? I don't know what to do. I don't know what they're gonna do.